Welcome back. We're working on our forgot password route. So first of all, import some certain things. As you know, Cognito user from Amazon Cognito Identity JS. After that, we'll also import our AWS user pool, just like we've been doing from our utility directory. Single quotes out of the directory, utility, then AWS user pool. So after that, we'll be looking at few things we might be changing, certain things we might not need. So just going to delete things that are above our recent imports. Then we'll modify some things here. We don't need the UID. I'm just going to cut this. Yes, I'm just going to cut that. Then I'll start by putting new Cognito user, open parentheses and curly braces. We'll set the username as usual to email, then the pool to AWS user pool. Yes, dot forgot password. Open another parenthesis, open our curly braces on success and on failure functions as usual. So for on success, we'll put an arrow function, then comma on failure. Put the arguments, then arrow function. Yes. This is looking good. So next thing we'll do now, rest.send status 200 if our query is successful. And if it's not successful, rest.send status 500. Yes. Format documents as usual. Then I'll come to forgot password page and modify some things here. So first of all, history.push, we'll change it to reset password with an email query, and I'll change that to backtick instead of quotes. Then I'll set the variable takes to be an encode URI component, and I'll set the email value there. Okay, it's showing me an error. Where's my error coming from? I think I did a typo. It's not supposed to be end code. It's supposed to be encode URI component. So yes, I think that's where my error is coming from. So basically, I'll just change the typo, and that's it for this video.